Welcome, today in front of me TCL Top 10 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should get Green Apple keyboard application from the Play Store. That's why here in search we'll enter Green Apple keyboard. So we should get this application. That's why tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just tap here to open the app and click here enable in settings. Oh no, now here we should click once on the switcher near Green Apple keyboard and then tap here to OK. Now just let's tap again to OK and let's go back to the application. So click here to the switch input method and now switch your currently keyboard to the Green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, as we can see, and let's go somewhere, for example into the app search here to see the new look of our device keyboard. And we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.